Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. Today we will talk about what happens to the coronary artery in a heart attack. A heart attack occurs when the flow of blood to the heart is severely reduced or blocked. The blockage is usually due to a buildup of fat, cholesterol and other substances in the heart. Coronary arteries. Coronary artery disease is caused by plaque buildup in the wall of the arteries that supply blood to the heart, called coronary arteries. Plaque is made up of cholesterol deposits. Plaque buildup causes the inside of the arteries to narrow over time. This process is called atherosclerosis.